दुनिया बोल है में आज हम आपकी मुलाकात करवाएंगे हीरो पाकिस्तान में पाकिस्तानी नौजवान टेनिस प्लेयर मिकाइल अली बेग से, जिन्होंने हालिया दिनों में श्रीलंका में होने वाली मेंस डबल आईटीएफ का टाइटल अपने नाम कर लिया है। इस इवेंट में उन्होंने स्पेनिश पार्टनर के साथ शराकतदारी कायम की और फतह अपने नाम की है। मिकाइल और ऑस्कर की जोड़ी ने तैमूर गुरदेव और भगवान गाजिलोन की जोड़ी को शिकस्त दी थी और पाक स्पेनिश जोड़ी का स्कोर 6-3, 6-4 रहा था। इस वक्त मिकाइल अली बेग हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। आइए उनसे आपकी मुलाकात करवा देते हैं। मिकाइल, वेलकम टू द बोल।
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for having me on your show.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for joining us. Mikael, being ranked number one in ITF under 15 ranking is a remarkable achievement, I must say that. Could you please share with us how much hard work and dedication it took to reach this level of success? Mashallah, mashallah.
Yes, I'm only 15 and I've reached number one in 18 and under.
Wow.
And it took a lot of hard work, but my father always said that discipline is as important as just having hard work. And so therefore I'm always disciplined, showing up to practice early and being last one to leave. And that's my key to success.
Certainly, certainly. Representing your country in the Davis Cup was a long-standing dream for you. Could you tell us about your experience and journey?
Yes, the experience in the Davis Cup was one of my most memorable experiences. It was such a great opportunity to be able to compete for Pakistan and to win the championship. But I'd love to give a huge shout out to my captain Shahzad and my teammates Abu Bakr and Hamza. Without them, it wouldn't have been possible.
Okay, Mikail, you recently claimed the ITF double tennis title in Sri Lanka and with your Spanish partner. Can you walk us
Yes.
through your experience there and what made in the victory special for both of you?
Yes, so the experience in Sri Lanka was amazing as well, and having a Spanish partner was great. He was a great player and we connected well, therefore we were able to win the title. I think we had very good chemistry and teamwork.
Okay, looking back on your journey, can you tell us about your first major success in tennis?
I think one of my first very memorable moments in tennis was when we beat the India team in 12 and under Asian tournament in Islamabad, and we were down 6-2, 5-love match points, and we came back to win the match, and that was one of my first very memorable successes.
Oh. Mikael, managing both academics and athletics must require great discipline. How do you balance your education and tennis training?
Yes, my mother has me on a very tight schedule, but I do online schooling, so therefore I do schooling before I go to tennis training and then after tennis training, so I keep it flexible that way.
Okay, all right. And maintaining a healthy diet and fitness routine is essential for top performance. Obviously, it goes without saying. So how do you ensure that your diet and your fitness are aligned with your training regime?
I try to go to the gym around minimum 3 times a week so I can work on my strength training and my agility training, speed. And for my diet, I keep it very simple. I just don't eat any sugar like cake or candy. I only eat natural sugar.
You are on diet
like
basically, a crush diet.
Yes.
It's very tough for you. Okay, Michael, looking ahead, what are your future plans in tennis?
My goal, inshallah, is to play in college tennis and then to go professionally. And I'd also like to become a tennis coach and represent Pakistan.
And how do you feel to wear national colors, Pakistani colors?
I'm very proud. It makes me very happy to represent Pakistan.
Okay, we are so proud of you. We are so proud of you. Thank you so much for joining us, Michael. Thank you so very much. सो मेकाइल हमारे साथ मौजूद थे। महज 15 साल की उम्र में माशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान का नाम जो है इन्होंने रोशन किया है। और मुझे लगता है कि देखिए पेरेंट्स, उन्होंने क्या बताया, मेरी अम्मी की सपोर्ट है।
और सब इतना आसान नहीं, उन्होंने बताया कि इतनी छोटी सी उम्र के अंदर वो कितनी टफ ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, डाइट का कितना ख्याल रखते हैं,
स्कूल अपना मिस नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो होम स्कूलिंग उनकी है, बहुत कुछ जो है वो कर रहे हैं, आसान नहीं होता।
खाने पीने का दिल करने के बावजूद भी वो अभी
15 साल की उम्र में ये जो हार्ड वर्क, डेडिकेशन, कंसिस्टेंसी, यही सब मिलके जो है ना वो हीरो पाकिस्तान बनाती हैं आपको।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।